let's talk about personalized customer journey from a generic opt-in. So on our website, we have just a generic opt-in for them to get added to the email list. And the problem is that we just know that they're interested in something that we have to give them, but we don't know exactly what it is. So in order to not overwhelm them with too much information or just stuff that doesn't interest them at all in the beginning, we set up a automated customer journey for them. So the very first step was for us to go into marketing and trigger links and set up 2 trigger links. One of them is for automation tips and tricks, and then one of them is for high-level tips and tricks. We have each of them linking out to a relative resource. We have an automation freebie and then a high-level tips and tricks recording that we're sending them out to. So then on our fulfillment email, whenever they are filling out that form, we are automatically sending this email and hey, welcome to a little corner of the internet. Here are your 2 options essentially. And so we have, again, high-level tips and tricks, automation tips and tricks. For those, whenever you're adding the trigger link, if you just click the trigger link, it changes it to the actual trigger link. It doesn't change it to the name that you have set up. So you always want to grab that trigger link and then hyperlink it as the link URL so that it still shows the text that you want to display, but then also links out and then also works as the trigger link. So we have these 2 options. And then what we have set up is a separate automation for each of the trigger links. So if they click the automation tips and tricks trigger link, so the workflow trigger link clicked, trigger link is automation tips and tricks, then what we're going to do is add the tag so that we can know that these people are interested in automations. And then we're going to wait one day and then we're going to send an email all about automations to them the next day and then wait and send another automation email and so on and so forth, however emails that we have. That way we are nurturing them, welcoming them into our world, giving them exactly what they want and none of what they don't want. They do have the option to go through and click the other one and they can be added to both. That just gives us, more information that they're actually interested in high level and automations, which is absolutely perfect. So if you have a generic opt-in on your website or maybe your link tree or something on social media, then we highly recommend setting up a personalized customer journey so that you can give them what they want. All right. Hope this helps. Bye.